So, you want to know what me do specifically?
Yes. Specifically.
Alright. So, I start out as a meter reader. And then I do some on-the-job training. Now I do leak detection, flow management, and we use the sonar devices.
So, that's why you know wear uniform? Come here with the one there now. Why sometimes I see in a uniform and sometimes I not see you in a little color.
I'm a contractor. So, me have the freedom to move around and do some things and check whatsoever for the check, and when them call me now to do something specific, I just go deal with it.
Okay, Mr. Watson, Commissioner. Right. Kamala one now. So you move some time because that's where you're police.
Maybe because of the type of work I'm doing. I wait for investigator things you have to do. So, not too far from me.
Well, you want to come investigate something like that.
Alright, you have some very important work to do. Alright? So we need to finish our food here, get back to the work here, and then
get to the next one. Boy.
Alright, so we can stop this trap now, right?
Okay, sir. So when you finish your work, stop. Take one myself. So, sir, you gonna finish your work yet?
Put on this one, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You finished with the juice?
No, not yet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We are gonna clean up this one.
Yeah, but my potato is just stick like that. I don't need to. Sorry. Yeah.
Some done work here. Some done work.
Okay, I'm gonna hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, boss.
Checking in on you. Everything okay?
Yes, sir. Everything alright.
Good. How is the new place? Comfortable
Very, very comfortable.
and secure?
Yes.
Okay. So now you know you have to move very quietly and cautiously. We don't want to have to expose this one.
I'm aware, sir.
Okay. Excellent. The little one is good?
Yes, sir. She's good.
Fine. I don't want to go back.
She's good.
I don't know how you're going to do it, but you have to keep it quiet. Maybe you can tell her that you want to hide your location from the lady abroad.
Well, she's actually here with me now.
Alright, baby, shut up. Take care.
Alright.